Let's see how to create a process on Transact. First, navigate to the production module on the left menu. On the BOM list page, find the item you want to produce. Check the box next to the corresponding BOM and click on Start Process button. A new screen appears, Create Production Order. Enter the desired quantity you plan to manufacture, select the final FG store where your finished goods will be kept. Select the initial stage, Create Process, from the drop-down and click Submit. The system creates a new production process, currently with a status of planned. Scroll down to Raw Materials, click Edit RM if you need to add an item that wasn't in the original BOM, click Add Raw Material row. Here, select the item. Enter required quantity. Then click Save Changes. Next, move to the Scrap section. Click Edit Scraps. Here you can account for expected wastage by clicking Add Scrap row, selecting the scrap material. Enter the estimated quantity and clicking Save Changes. Finally, let's adjust the other charges. Click Edit Charges. Enter the estimated costs for items like labor, machinery, and electricity to ensure accurate product costing. Once all values are entered, click Save Changes. With all materials and costs confirmed, to the bottom right and click the Publish button. Confirm the action in the pop-up window. Your production order is now successfully published. The process status immediately changes to pending, and you can view it on the All Production Processes page, ready for execution. Here is the another process to create a production order and add your process data in bulk. Start by selecting the bill of materials, BOM, you want to use. On the production order screen, you'll see the option to download template. This Excel file is the easiest way to enter all your process data at once. Open the downloaded template. Here, you can quickly input all the necessary information, such as the item name, quantity of materials, and the respective store locations for your raw materials and scrap. Once your data is entered, return to the system and click the Upload button. Select your updated template and wait for the Upload Successful message. Now, ensure the Select Stage field is set to Create Process, and then click Submit to finalize the bulk data addition. After a successful submission, you can navigate to the Production Process tab to view your newly created production processes. You can also use the Download Template option. Click on Download Template for issue. Here is the option for Download Template. Click on it. Then, select the Issue Items option. The downloaded template is an Excel workbook with 4 essential tabs. The process sheet lets you update estimated or actual labor and overhead charges. Most importantly, the process items sheet is where you input your actual production data. The routing sheet is where you can update the status of specific production steps. Do the required changes as your need and save it. Then, return to the Transact upload screen, drag and drop the file, and proceed to complete your bulk process issue.